Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for being here today. We're going to do a little cash stuffing today of just our basic funds, y'all, our basic envelopes. I have been saving for my sinking funds by doing mini challenges and tiny challenges. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to empty out this, oh my goodness, change. And I'm going to save this so that I can do this with my daughter together. She's with her dad this week. So we have a decent amount of change in here though. So she is going to love that. She'll be so excited. So in groceries this week, I saved 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. So I'm going to set this aside. We're going to use this to play some games later and to save extra money to pay towards debt. In dining out, we have nothing. Surprise, surprise. That's why I never have anything left in that category, guys. It's so bad. I need to be better at that. In gas, we have 25. I did fill up my tank with some money that I had that was extra from New Year's. So 25 left over, which is great. So I'm going to add that to our stack over there. We're going to add that to our debt payoff. And then Aria, I didn't even think about this, but since I didn't even have her with me this week, of course, we didn't spend any of her money from her envelope. So this is going to go into the mini Mondays. When I do the mini Mondays, that will go towards her sinking funds. So for groceries this week, I'm going to cash stuff $60. Since I haven't been using the 80 every week, I think I'm gonna try lowering that amount, especially with the new year. I'm gonna be trying to plan cheaper meals and buy cheaper things. So we'll see if that amount works, and if not, then we'll go back to 80. Dining out is going to get 35. This is always the hardest category for me to save because, well, for one thing, I'm a foodie, let's be honest. And for another thing, I just feel like with traveling to go to my boyfriend's house, he lives like an hour away, and just, especially when it's like a work week for me, I'm a teacher and we just have a lot going on in the week sometimes, I just usually end up spending all of this. So I try to not make myself feel guilty about it, but sometimes I do. But I do need to be better about not dining out as much. All right, and then gas is getting 25 for this week, and I'm sure I'll have to use this towards the beginning of this week because I know I'm not going to make it through the week. So, and then Aria this week, I am seeing her. I'll get to see her on Wednesday. So exciting. So I'm going to put her $10 in here, 2 5s. Is that 2? Oh, this one just feels really thick for some reason. Okay, so that is going in there. All right, so that's my cash for my wallet this week. And then for my envelopes, we're just doing high priority because I'm really focusing on paying off debt. Guys, my finger, I'm trying these tan drops and on my face, and apparently I didn't wash my hands well enough, so I have this huge stain right here. It looks so weird, but they work really well. So all right, so cell phone is going to be getting 20 this week. I have been cash stuffing just 10, but oops, I want to pay the full year plan, so pay for the whole year because it's cheaper that way, but I haven't been planning for that. So I'm not sure exactly how much I will need, but I'm going to just stuff like 10 extra dollars. So I have 50, 60, 70, 80 in cell phone. And I think that is due next month. In debt, I'm going to be stuffing 125. So there's nothing in there because I pulled everything out to put towards my car payment at the end of December. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Ooh, 1, 10, 20, and 5. Okay, so debt has 125 now. And hair is going to be getting 5. So this has 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 105, 110, 11, 12. 112. And this is going to be happening in February. I'm getting my hair done. I really don't know how much it's going to be. So we'll see. Insurance for my car is getting 50, and I'm going to have to use a lot of 5s, I guess. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so we have, let me just organize this. 51, 150, 70, 170, oh my gosh, 190, 210, 20, 30, 40, plus 50 that I just put in, 290. Is that right? 51, 150, 70, 90, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. I'm all confused. What? Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40. Oh, okay. Yeah, because it was a 10 and... Okay, anyways. Whatever it has, it has. I don't know. It's fine. All right, and then... What the heck was I going to do with these? Y'all, did I mess up somewhere? I have no idea. It might be that I messed up. If y'all spotted a mistake, let me know in the comments. But I guess I will just do another 5 in insurance. Maybe I'll do a 5 in wellness because I know I have some doctor's appointments coming up. And I'll do another 5 in cell phone. Guys, I don't know. It might be, I didn't get a chance to sit down and do like a cash plan before I went to the bank today. So it could be that I just miscalculated the bills that I needed to cash stuff. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you want to stick around, tomorrow I will be posting the mini Mondays. So, and then Tuesday, Tiny Tuesdays, and then I'll do my debt binder where I'm saving, doing all these fun games and challenges and playing this collaboration game to save towards debt. So if you're not already subscribed, this is your reminder to hit that subscribe button if you want, and I will hopefully see you in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.